Hi, my name is Dr. Patricia Eckardt, and I came today to talk about making thinking visible and Ron Richard's book, Creating Cultures of Thinking. And I began teaching in the Graduate School of Education in 2012. Every course, I end up changing my course outlines, I end up changing my texts, I end up changing my readings. The only thing that has stayed consistently the same is my use of thinking routines and my instruction about thinking routines in the classroom. In this text, Ron Richard, Mark Church, and Morrison actually created 21 thinking routines that are aimed at encouraging children to follow their own intrinsic inquiry. So if we really think about the society that we're living in right now, we're teaching children and we're preparing them for jobs that might not even yet exist. So Church and Morrison and Richard say that now more than ever we actually need to really foster innovative, creative thinking. And a way that we can do that is by the use of these 21 routines. The routines can be used for any age, ranging from 2 years old to 102. They are user-friendly. They can be used across all different subject areas and all different domains. And if we really think about our use in the classroom, thinking routines can foster, on the micro level, thinkers, which then on a broader level could foster a culture of thinking, which is their second text that they put out. So the routines are for a micro level in the classroom to foster a broader culture of thinking. And thinking routines have influenced my research in two different ways. Just briefly, really quickly, very typically in classrooms we see what's called an IRE response pattern, and that's initiate, respond, and evaluate. So for example, the teacher might ask, what color is the sky? The student says it's blue, and the teacher evaluates. Well, right there, that's very linear in thought, and the conversation doesn't go very deep. Based on thinking routines and also productive academic discourse explored by Michaels and O'Connor, and also exploratory discourse by Mercer and Littleton, I came to propose, instead of the traditional initiate, respond, evaluate sequence, to propose one that's based on inquire, wait, think, and share. So those ideas together, coupled with the sociocultural perspective, changes the focus of the academic talk in the classroom and puts the emphasis on the student and on inquiry-based learning. And then lastly, right now what I'm interested in looking at is with the shift in the Common Core for ELA. There's a large focus on close reading, teacher support, and overall critical literacies. So I'm interested in looking at how these thinking routines can foster deeper, more analytical thinking for critical literacy in a balanced literacy program.